कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shiva Sadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Who is going to tell the Mangalacharan today? Hare Krishna.
Mataji, shall I do?
Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Om Ajnanatimirandasya Gnananjana Chakshushrunmitena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Subhadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Utapadakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamsha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Saguna Raghunathanvitam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakanvitascha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopeshu Gopikanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Shri Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Panchakalpatarupyascha Krupa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांता स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण माताजी.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you,
Hare
Mataji, for
Krishna.
giving me a
Hare
wonderful
Krishna.
opportunity. Thank you.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. I welcome all of you on behalf of ISKCON, Mangaluru, Kulai Temple, and Namanishta Prabhu. Let us all start our session by paying obeisances unto the lotus feet of Radha Govinda. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, all
Welcome
devotees.
all of you. Yeah. Where did we finish
Hare
yesterday?
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji's and Prabhuji's. Yes. So, Hare Krishna. Chika Mataji, you were on, I mean, you couldn't attend yesterday. I didn't see you yesterday, I think.
Yes, Mataji,
Very
I
good.
couldn't
No.
attend for a couple
No
of
problem,
days.
Mataji. Yesterday we started with the second chapter. Okay, second chapter is what? It's a prelude. Means whole Bhagavad Gita is told in nutshell. That is why second chapter and the 18th chapter are the longest chapter. Second chapter, prelude, 18th chapter, recap. So these are the two chapters which have maximum number of verses. So yesterday we started with, like just Sanjaya told that this everything had happened. Now, who is that? Arjuna. Arjuna is in a dilemma. He doesn't want to fight. So immediately, after Sanjaya told, first verse is spoken by Arjuna. What is the first verse spoken by Arjuna? Sorry, Krishna. First was spoken by Krishna yesterday. Hare Krishna.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha
Yes,
Usuttama
Mataji.
Kushmalamidam Vishame Samapastitam Anarya Justam Shvargam Akirtikaram Arjuna.
Hari Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Wonderful, Mataji. So all negativity is given. Akirti, Anaryam. Who is Anaryam? Who does not know the value of the life? Who knows the value of the life is an Aryan. Aryan is a person who knows the value of this life. This body we have got, this is the only vehicle through which we have to cross this world. That means he is a self-realized person. But though Arjuna is a self-realized person, he is acting like a Anarya, as if he doesn't know anything about the value of the life. Like that he is talking to Krishna. So Krishna scolded him. Okay, verse number 2, the first verse of Krishna. Okay, he said, you are Akirti, infamy, Anarya, Aswargam. How will you go to the higher planets? Swargam means higher planets, Aswargam. So Krishna is telling all He's not telling negative. He is telling Arjuna, your behavior is so atrocious. I can't expect this kind of behavior from a self-realized person. You behave as if you are not a self-realized person at all. Like that he is scolding him. This is the beauty of Guru. But till now, Arjuna has not accepted Krishna as his Guru. But still, Krishna knows. Krishna is the Adi Guru. So it is his responsibility to correct the disciple. And in the 7th verse, we will see the relation between the Guru and disciple and all. Okay. So here you see, Hare Krishna. This is the next verse. Just now Mataji told the 2.2, right? Anaryam, Majushtam, all those things. That is this verse. Mataji by-hearted, Hari Hari Bol. Very nice, Mataji. Okay, here. That is Kashmalam. That is all the impurities. Anaryam, one who does not know the value of the life. Aswargam, he will not go to the higher planets. Akirti, infamy. Okay, not famous. Kirti is famous. So all these things we saw. Now we go to the next verse, also spoken by Krishna only, 2 verses. Okay. Yes, Loknath Prabhu, you want to read?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, 4th onwards we have to start today. Yes. Start.
Arjuna Vacha Katham Bhismaham Sankhyam Dronam Cha Madhusudana Isubhi Pratyosyami Puja Har Varisudana.
Arisudana. Ari means enemy. Arisudana means killer of enemies. Okay, a killer of enemies is known as Arisudana. Yesterday we saw one more. Indra Rirvyakulam Loke. We saw, no, what was that? Indra Rirvyakulam Loke. Ete Chamshakala Pumsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. In the Krishna avatar, he came as an avatari. He did not expand or he did not descend. He himself came. Etecha amshakala pumsa. All other avatars are, all other incarnations are either the plenary portion or the portion of the plenary portion. You understand what is it? That's the meaning of yesterday's reference. Prabhupada has given, no, in 2.2. That is Yetecha amshakala pumsa. Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam.
Indra Rirvyakulam Lokam Marnyadati Yoge Yoge.
Hari Hari Bol. Wonderful, Prabhuji. This is 1.3.28. Oh, 38? Okay, 38. Okay, Prabhu. Wonderful. This is. Yeah. So Krishna is telling here, that is what Arisudana, killer of enemies. Okay. Already Krishna has told Arjuna, oh Arjuna, Arjuna is going to, okay, sorry. Already Krishna told Arjuna that you are behaving as not like a Kshatriya. So now he is telling, oh Krishna, Arjuna is telling, oh Krishna, you are the killer of enemies. Because so many these people, Asuras came, you remember? In Vrindavan. Who was the first Asura came? Asuri. Who came first? Putana. Right? Putana, then Trinavrata. After Kirtana, after Putana, Sakatasura. Then Trinavrata. So like that, one after the other, all the Asuras came. But Krishna killed everybody. Is it not? So Arjuna is telling here. Yes, Prabhu, read.
Arjuna said, O killer of enemies, O killer of Madhu, how can I counterattack with the arrows in the battleman like Bhishma, Drona, who are worthy of my worship?
Okay, because they all are acharyas. Here the importance of acharya is given. You know, whatever is said and done for him, even if they have in the fallen position in front of him, because they supported the adharma. But you know, Arjuna is Arjuna is not Anarya. That's how Krishna scolded him because he didn't want to fight. But Arjuna is actually Vishaka Saki. But for us, he is behaving as if he has fallen down. So what he is saying? Oh Krishna, will you kill your, who is that? Muni, your Rishi, your spiritual master? Who was the spiritual master of Arjuna? Sorry, Krishna. Krishna's spiritual master is
Sandipani.
Hari Bol, Sandipani Muni.
Sri Sandipani Rishi.
Yeah. Who is his grandfather? Krishna's grandfather. Who is father of Vasudeva? Ugrasena. Okay? So Arjuna is asking, Arjuna Uvacha, oh Krishna, you are telling me to kill my Bhishma Pidama, grandsire. You are telling me to kill my gurus. Will you kill? Will you be their enemies, killer of their enemies? No, no. So like that, Arjuna is now here asking, who are worthy of my worship? Because of them, he has this gratitude. More than compassion, he has the gratitude also. He knows because of them, I am for that only. You remember, yesterday we saw one, verse, that is Deva, who is saying, 1 second, I'm just seeing, Lakshman Prabhu is there? Oh, Lakshman Prabhu is not there today. Who all others attend in the morning, 8 o'clock Bhagavatam class, short Bhagavatam class? Yesterday we saw that verse, you remember? We have to be 5 types of rin. Same thing today, Namanishra Prabhu's class, he explained. The rin to the devas, the rin to the gurus, the rin to the prakriti, the rin means indebtedness. Our indebtedness to our parents, our indebtedness to this material nature. Like we saw even the animals yesterday, buffaloes. Buffaloes help us to eat our prasadam, grain. Because of buffaloes, we are getting grains. But do we every day thank them? No. So we have a indebtedness towards all the animals also. You remember that 5, this thing I shared yesterday, Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji.
You remember that? Okay. The level 2 lineage, that slide. Are you able to see now? Just tell me. At here. Rin, Pitre, Rin, what are they? Deva,
Not
Rin.
visible, Mataji.
Not visible. Okay, Hare Krishna. Once again, I will show. Actually, yes. Now you should be able to see. Okay. Hare Krishna. Has it come?
Yes, Mataji.
So Devarin. This is now the first rin to Devasura. So like that the verse starts. That verse also I have written. I will show that verse. Rishi rin, Pitri rin, Drini rin. That is other human beings. Who are the other human beings? Other human beings, maybe like we go to school. Daily the school bus comes. People take us to the school, the drivers, etc. I always tell my students in the assembly, the moment you get down from the bus, we have to thank them. Thank the drivers, with full respect. Had they not been there, we would not. One day the driver falls sick. How many parents go mad? They scold the whole school authorities. Suddenly, if he takes leave, last minute. So, but when they all reach us, do we thank them? Same thing even. I learned from all these lectures in ISKCON only. Whenever the flight, when we travel, the flight touches the land, it just touches down. Immediately we have to thank the pilot. Because of the, not only pilot, all other people, the back end, how many people are working on that signal, etc., air control. Isn't it? We have to thank them. But since we are not doing all these things, this comes as an accumulated rin. Pitri rin. We say now so many horoscopes. These days, people mint money like anything. You have, what is that? Pitri rin. What do they call? There is one, Pitri dosh. They call it in your horoscope, Pitru dosh is there. And you do this is pariharam, they say. Every day we have to be thankful to them, that's all. And day before we saw how many of our Pitris may not be getting even the suitable body. So they may be roaming around like the spirit only. They have not got the matter. What is self-realization? Understanding the spirit and the matter is known as self-realization. What is the real jnana? Bhagavad Gita talks about jnana. This jnana is not PhD in physics and chemistry. This jnana, what we talk about is a self-realization between the matter and the soul. I am not this matter. My body is made up of all 24 elements. I am the spirit soul, 25th element. So one who does not understand, that's why Sankhya Yoga, second chapter. Okay, Hare Krishna, yes. Okay, so we will go back to our lesson today. Hare Krishna. 1 minute. Yes. It's every time asking. Yes, Prabhuji, you can go ahead. Just read one more verse and then we will go back.
गुरुना हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भिक्षांपि लोके हत्वा हत्वर्था कामांस्तु गुरु हि एव भुञ्जीय भोगा रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्.
Hari bol, Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Guru Nahatva. Who will kill that Guru? Guru, the superiors, but not killing them. That is Mahanubhava, the great souls. They are the great souls. And Arjuna is telling in this, you see, they may be standing in front of me just for a handful of peanut. We call it's not handful of peanut. They are ready to kill everybody. Just for mean mentality, we call it as. They may be standing just for this piece of land. They are ready to kill everybody. But no, I am not interested in that kind of killing. I am rather Bhaiksha. Bhaiksha means Bhavati Bhikshandehi, begging. Shreyo Bhoktum. Shreyo, it is better than killing them, better than killing them is begging. So Arjuna is telling, I am ready to beg, but I am not ready to kill them. It also shows another humility or non-attachment, detachment of Arjuna. Arjuna is capable of becoming a king, Maharaj, in fact, not only king, but he is ready to beg and spend his life rather than killing his gurus. Yes, Prabhu, translation.
It would be better to live in this world by begging than to live at the cost of lives of great souls who are my teachers, even though desiring worldly gain. They are superiors. If they are killed, everything we enjoy will be tainted with the blood.
So how, I mean, this thought in a way is very good. But only problem, we should not ask, Mataji, these and all are good thoughts. No, yeah, they all are 200% good thoughts. But Krishna has spoken so many times. In Srila Prabhupada has also written, we saw in the first chapter also, Sanatan Dharma. And Sanatan Dharma is actually in order to protect the society. So the society is protected by the principle coded by Krishna. What is the principle coded by Krishna? Varna Ashrama Dharma. Varna Ashrama Dharma. So according to the Varna Ashrama Dharma, unfortunately here Arjuna is in the Kshatriya Varna, correct? So when he is in a Kshatriya Varna, obviously his duty is to fight. How can a Kshatriya say, I will not fight? Then there will be chaos in the society. If Brahmanas become, merchants becomes, they all become preacher, what will happen? Now it is all, don't think of the today's society. We are talking about Krishna's society, what he established. So, because even the birth, a person who is born in a Brahminical family means he has already got his swabhavas. That is why he has got a suitable body. Everybody knows. The Maya Devi gives the suitable body at the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Maya Dakshena Prakriti Suyate Sacharacharam. The whole Prakriti, Maya Adhyakshena Prakriti. The Prakriti is acting under my control, my leadership. Maya Adhyakshena Prakriti Suyate Sacharacharam. This Prakriti makes everyone dance to her tune under my order. So under my order, the Prakriti has given a suitable body. So that suitable body, what she had given you is Kshatriya. So your Swabhava is Kshatriya. Leaving that, you say, well, I am following the Vedas, I am following the Brahmanas, I am going to the forest. What will happen, Your Swabhava will not leave you. Krishna is telling, your Swabhava will not leave you, Arjuna. According to your Swabhava, unnecessarily you will start killing the animals in the forest. That will incur more sin. Number one, to tell I will not fight according to my Varnashrama Dharma is the greatest sin. Because we all have to do activities within our ashrama and varna. Yes or no? So if I'm spiteful nature, how much ever I read Bhagavatam and
Mataji.
Bhagavad Gita, suddenly something will come and I will fight with somebody. If that nature is there in me. So that is the only reason, you know what we should do, surrender to Krishna. Krishna, please take care of my swabhava. Take care, that's it. I want to serve you. I want to serve you means what? Surrender to him. Paritrana, sorry, what is it? Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. 18.6. Krishna tells you, surrender unto me. So Krishna, please take care of me. Why do I have this mean mentality? All my swabhavas, I want to overcome that. I want to have only one swabhava. What is the swabhava for all of us according to our constitutional position? What is our earlier, what was our original swabhava?
The original Swabhava is according to this, for this life, Mataji.
But see, before we all fell down here,
Yes.
according to our constitutional
Brahman,
position.
our Swabhava is Brahman. Soul, Mataji.
No, that's all correct. What is our religion? What is our nature? Before we all came down here, eternally, okay. What was our eternal position? Now you should be able to answer. Eternal position was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, dasana, 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 dasa. That is why in ISKCON we give Devi Dasi and Das. That is our eternal
not
position.
really, Mataji, because the soul is the only one soul. We act according to our karmas.
No, Prabhuji. But that is after we have fallen down. I am asking constitutional position before we fell down. Eternally means what? When we were with the Lord. That is eternal. Soul is eternal. After we have taken birth, this is a dress we are wearing. Yesterday, one verse we saw, no? Oh, Arjuna, we are having this pity.
But every soul can't be a dasi, right, Mataji? There are millions or billions of souls are there.
Prabhuji, 1 minute. No, a constitutional position I am talking. Before you came to this world, we all have come from our original home. So in our original home, we all were eternal servants of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Jivera Swarupa Hoye Krishnera Nitya Dasa. This is our eternal position. Okay. After we have fallen down, yes, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, this material nature is so attractive. We forget our original position. That is the main problem, forgetfulness. Right? So, with that, what do you call, material nature, we start acting according to our desire. But before falling down, before coming, we were all with Krishna as his servant. Jivera Swarupa Hoye Krishnera Nitya Dasa. According to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this was our eternal position. Okay, so our eternal position was this. Why we were talking about this? Better to live in worldly become. Okay. So we were all serving the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So if we are okay, we are eternal, the Swarupa, we are dasis, then we are why we are fall down, Mataji?
No, because of the pride. You had pride there. Because of the pride only we have
but
come
there
down.
is no pride exist, right, Mataji? There are no.
It is, Prabhuji, because of the free will. We all have the free will. According to our free will, whatever we want, we can think. Right?
But we are talking about the where Parabrahmas, we are all the part of the we are, as we know, there are three Vishnus, Kshirodhara, Garbhodaya Vishnu,
Prabhuji,
and
that all
Kshirodhara.
relates to creation, Prabhuji. See, I'm just telling you. There is one example, small example I'll tell. Same question somebody asked Srila Prabhupada. What Srila Prabhupada told? Well, Srila Prabhupada told this example. He came near the window. There was a cockroach. He picked up the cockroach. He opened the window, threw it from there. And he told, same way, because of our enviousness, that envy automatically comes. It is inborn. The enviousness. So that is why the souls which were envious, enjoying all the position in the Goloka. We all have come from Goloka. You forget this creation. Creation pattern is material. We are talking about eternal. Eternal means, yesterday I told you that Mahat Tattva is only 1/4. There is a spiritual world, which is 3/4. We were all in the spiritual world. In the spiritual world, whoever even showed a little bit of enviness, the Lord created the material world, took us like cockroach and put us down. Now you go and enjoy. You wanted to enjoy independently. So that is what. Why are we here? We wanted to enjoy independently, forgetting Krishna, independently. We wanted to enjoy. That is why we are here. Okay, Prabhu, I am talking about spiritual world. Whatever you are telling is very correct, but they all belong to the material world. Brahman effulgence is a covering
Okay,
over there.
Mataji, if we God, why if the das, if the devotee, of course, we are as per the Srila Prabhupada ji, we are all dasa or dasis. So why God was not forgetful? Okay, why is not give excuse to devotees, Mataji?
Ye tamam prapatyante tam sataiva bhajamangam. If everybody is passed in the examination, who will study properly? Once you have
But
to
there
go
is
back.
no examination, right,
One minute,
Mataji?
1 minute,
In
Prabhuji.
Goloka,
This is
what
the
to do to
examination.
examination, Mataji?
Prabhuji, antakale cha mameva smarana muktva kalevaram. That's only examination. Whole life is preparation. Death is the examination. At that time of death, you have to remember the Lord. Only then you will go to Goloka back.
Yes,
Once you go
Mataji.
to Goloka back, you will never come back.
But from Goloka, the souls are fallen from Murtiloka, right? Again.
That's for the first time. That's it. The Lord, we all were there. And the souls which have fallen down, they are again going. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi, Dukkha Doshanu Darshanam. So again and again, they are going. Once who remembers the Lord, who does bhakti, who does devotional service, remembers the Lord, once they go back, Naiti Mameti, so Arjuna. Oh Arjuna, once they come back to me, they will never come down back. Krishna is telling in the 4th chapter, 9th verse, right? Janma karma che me divyam. One who understands my position as divyam and with the devotion, they come to me. Once they come to me, Naitimameti so Arjuna. They are not going to come back. In 3 verses, he has told this, no? Abrahma bhuvana loka punaravarti no Arjuna. They will not again come back. Once they come back to Abrahma bhuvana loka. Okay, Prabhuji? It's all the willpower. He has given, sorry, not will. What is that? Free will. He has given
I read
everybody
one story,
free will.
Mataji. Sudarsana from Vaikunta.
Prabhuji, we will finish 3 verses and then we will come back. Okay, Prabhuji?
Okay, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yeah. Okay. So where were we? We have read this meaning also, correct? Yeah, we'll go to the PPT. 3 verses we'll finish and then we will come. Where is it? Hare Krishna. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So verse number 4. Till 3 we saw yesterday the previous slide. Today onwards we have to see the 4th. So this we have already read. So Arjuna is telling, oh killer of enemies. Who is killer of enemies? Krishna. Okay. So like that, he is again saying, I am ready to beg. I am ready to beg and lead my life rather than killing my own teachers, my own. See, who all can become teachers? Who all can become teacher means who all can become spiritual master. Without the guidance, without the help of the spiritual master, without serving the spiritual master, we cannot again go back because he is the one who has to show us the path back to Godhead. Our original home is there. From there again we have fallen down. Okay. So we have to go back there. Till then this world is like a jail for us. We did some mistake. What was that mistake? The minutest enviness. So we have fallen here. See, there is another, one of the lecture again. Means who is a teacher. He asked, see, we all have come here. We all are the kaidis and our spiritual masters have the lock to open this jail and they will take us. Okay, okay, fine. Now, which, what do you call that? Cuff. We call it as the cuff which is put. So he is asking, do you want A class jail, A class prison, B class prison or C class prison? What does that mean by A class prison? Means you will be given a golden cup. B class means silver cuff. And C class means iron cup. Which one you all want? You tell me, Hare Krishna. Which one you all want? Who wants golden cup? All raise your hand. Yes, Mataji, we want golden cups. Nobody. Hare Krishna. Why you all want this one, iron cups? Hare Krishna. One hand is up. Asha Mataji, which one you want?
Gold, Mataji.
Gold. Okay. Hare Krishna. Anybody else who wants gold?
What is different, Mataji? Either gold or silver or everything
Yeah.
is jail.
So that Prabhuji's Mataji was sitting beside him. He shook him. What are you asking? You want a golden cup? That means you want to come back to this jail once again? How does it matter? Whichever, we are going to be inside the jail. So we want to free ourselves. So why do you want even a cup? You tell that we don't want any cup. We don't want to come down. This is a jail. There it is a Goloka. We don't want that, is it not? So
That is I
sorry.
wanted to
But-
say, Mataji. There is what is the difference between gold or silver or iron? Nothing, na.
There is no difference. Yeah. So we
Yes.
don't want anything. The answer should
Mataji,
be we don't want anything. Yes, Asha
Mataji,
Mataji.
it's Punarapi Jaranam, Punarapi Maranam, no?
Yeah.
So in
Okay.
that concept, I told.
Okay, okay. So if at all you are coming, Mataji meant let me come as a Satoguna person. Correct, Mataji? Correct?
Yes, exactly,
Oh,
exactly,
Haribol,
Mataji, exactly.
Haribol, correct. Okay.
In that context, I just said
Wonderful.
it's a gold.
But
only.
Mataji, today onwards, you start thinking Prabhupada's books are there, Guru will be there, I will not come back. Okay, Mataji? Correct. You
Okay,
are very
Mataji.
right. Hari bol. Because it is Guru's mercy, he will take us back. Okay. Yeah. So actually very correct. What is the difference as Prabhuji asked? It is like, are we going to be in our Satoguna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna? So A class. So if at all we have to come, yeah, as Mataji said, we will come with the Sattva Guna. Correct. Okay. Another question I asked, who all can become guru, right? Who all can become teachers? Who are my teachers? Everybody cannot be teacher, isn't it? Everybody cannot become guru. Everybody is not a spiritual master. So who all can become spiritual master? Hare Krishna.
Is it
Krishna,
question, Mataji?
who all can become spiritual master?
Okay, who is follow the dharma, who follow the rules of our Sanatana parampara, and who has wise, who know all knowledge of Vedas and Vedangas, and who respect all, who look at world equally.
Okay, very good. This is the process. Very
Uh,
correct. Okay.
And who
This
follow
is
who follow the Sattvic dharma, who own
okay.
Sattvic
Okay,
dharma.
Prabhuji.
Sattvic.
But all these things are Jnana Yoga. Knowing
Yes.
all these things are only Jnana.
Yeah, who
But
follow the Jnana
then
Yoga.
they will not go beyond the Brahman effulgence, Brahmaloka. Okay. So to go to Godhead back, that love, Prema Madhuri. Yesterday we saw no Prema, the love. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivarti. Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhava, Prema. So that Bhava and Prema stage we have to go. Only then we will be able to reach Lord's abode. So more than Karma Yoga, the ladder we learnt in the first level, correct? Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and the last final one is Bhakti Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga. 3 yogas are there, but all 3 lead to finally at the later stage, we have to follow the Bhakti Yoga. That only will take us. Karma Yoga, very good. Follow it, no problem. But we will go to the higher planetary system. Again, 17th chapter, Sattva Gun. All these things are Sattva Gun. So Sattva Guni people, Urdvam Gachanti Tishtan Urvam Tishtanti Satvastha, Madhyam Tishtati Rajasa. So Urdhvam, Sattva Guna people will go to the higher planetary system, not to go Loka. Okay. So devotional service, only the love for Supreme Personality of Godhead will take us to his. So who can make disciples? One who has controlled his all senses, and one who is self-realized, and one who is who has come in the disciplic succession. What is the verse? Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevyam. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Tadvidhi, one who knows that. What is tattva? Knows the tattva. Yesterday we saw. Tattva is the absolute truth. There's nothing above it. There's nothing equal to it. So the Supreme Personality of Godhead is the absolute truth. Is it not? So one who knows, not only knows the tattva, but one who has practiced it by his own life. Vidhi. Tad vidhi. Vidhi means one who knows. Pranipatena pariprashnena sevyam. Upateshanti te jnanam. Jnani na tattvadarshinaha. So they are the tattvadarshi. They know the absolute truth. They are the self-realization. Very importantly, they have learnt it in the parampara. Not any example somebody has said, any book somebody had read, any book whoever has written, we will not accept. They should have come in the parampara, any parampara. There are some mainly 4 sampradayas we follow. Any sampradaya, let them. But they should have come in the disciplic succession. All other things are baseless. Okay, Hare Krishna. Even Srila Rupa Goswami has said in Nectar of Instruction, Vacho Vegam Manasa Krodha Vegam, Jigva Vegam, Udaropasta Vegam, Etan Vegan, Vishayeta Diragam, Sarvopiman Pratvim Sa Shishyat. Sarvopiman Pratvim Sa Shishyat. They only can make disciples in this world. Who can make? Vacho Vegam, one was controlled the speech. Manasa, one was controlled the mind. Krodha, one was controlled the krodha, anger. Vacho Vegam, Manasa Krodha Vegam. Jihva Vegam, the tongue, that is the hunger. One who has controlled the speech, hunger, and the genitals. So 6. All these things, 6. One who has controlled, they can only make the disciples. So whomsoever Acharya we follow, they should have controlled all these things. They should have realized the tattva, absolute truth. They should have experienced it in their life. They should have come in disciplic succession. Hare Krishna. Okay. Okay. Then Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yes. This is 2.6. Nor do we know which is better, conquering them or being conquered by them. This is the verse in which Arjuna's indecision is come. 5 reasons. Compassion, no enjoyment, sinful action, and family tradition. The last one, indecision, we saw, correct? So this is the indecision. So Arjuna is now telling, oh Krishna, I am not able to understand whether to conquer them or to be conquered by them. Whether to give, in the first chapter he told, you remember, right now I want them to conquer me, Nihatya, when I am not having any weapon in my hand. Right now, even if they come and conquer me, that will be the best for me, instead of fighting against my Swajana. He said this in the first chapter, correct? So now he expresses his doubt. After last doubt is over, oh Krishna. And next verse is the turning point in Bhagavad Gita. Okay, what is the next verse? Karpanyatosho. Yes, Prabhu, tell. Shishyastegam Chadi Mam Tvam Prapannam. Beautiful, Prabhu. Karpanyatosho. Karpana means, who is Karpana? Karpana is a miserly. Kripana, actually it is Kripana. Kripana is a miserly person. Screen is not going back. Karpanyatosho Pahata Swabhava Prichamitvam. Where did I go? Yes, 1 second. This is chapter 2. Yeah. Yes. Karpanyatosho bhagata swabhava prichamitvam here. Karpanya, miserliness. And already we have read Hridaya Daurbalyam in the second verse. You remember? Ashochatvananna. Yes, Mataji. By Mataji, can you tell Hridaya Daurbalyam?
श्री भगवानुवाच कुसत्व कश्मलमिदं विषमे समपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टम अर्षगम् अकीर्तिकरम् अर्जुन.
So that means here Krishna is telling that, no, not in that.
Klebiam masam gama part.
This one, 2.3 Mataji.
Yeah,
2.3.
Klaibyam. Yes,
Masmagama.
Mataji. Klaibam.
Masmagama partha naitat tayupadyate kshudram hridaya daurbalyam taktotishta parantapa.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So all the miseries, 3 miseries we all know, correct? Adhyatmic, Adi Bhautik, and Adi Daivik. Once we are born, once we have fallen down in this material world, everyone has to go through according to their karma. That is all after falling down, material world. After falling down, we have to go through the karma. Because of that, we all will be in misery. Coming here means no real happiness. So, what is the root cause for this misery? Hridaya Daurbalyam. In 15th verse, beautifully, okay, if time permits, I'll tell. In the 15th verse, last chapter, how many of you have the book? All of you might be having, correct? So, if we have time, we will read that. Okay. Here, Krishna is saying, now, I am confused about my duty and I have lost all my composure. Now
Arjuna
I cannot... Yes, ma. Yes, Prabhuji.
No, Arjuna saying, Mataji. Krishna, Arjuna saying.
Yeah, correct. But in this... Yes, Prabhu.
You told Krishna saying, I am confused. No,
Arjuna said, yes, Prabhu. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Okay? So after expressing his final indecision, Arjuna is asking Krishna, oh Krishna, now I am a surrendered soul to you. This is what is very, very important. I am your disciple. That means Arjuna accepted Krishna as his spiritual master. The Supreme Personality, the Adi Guru. Okay? So now he told, I have become your disciple. Now you tell me, till that time, this relationship established, Arjuna did not, Arjuna kept on expressing his doubts and doubts and doubts. After this, Krishna will open up after listening to Arjuna, everything. Okay. So this is a turning point in Bhagavad Gita. Till this time, so till that time we don't accept a spiritual master, we will not get the instruction. That is why Tadvidhi Pranipatena Pariprashnena Sevayam. We have to humbly ask question, then the Guru will give instruction. After that, there is no turning back. We have to follow that instruction. Okay? That is what Krishna is now going to tell Arjuna. One more verse is there. After that, Krishna will tell Arjuna. Okay? So now here, yes. The world is full of perplexities, confusion, what to do, what not to do. So who will help us to overcome this confusion? Only our spiritual master. See, it is here. One must approach the spiritual master who has come in disciplic succession, not any Tom, Dick and Harry. If we are reading any book, if you are listening to any audio or video, first we have to see whether they have come in the disciplic succession or not. So a person who is a bona fide spiritual master. Bona fide means what? Authoritative. Certified by the authorities. So unless and until a person gets, like associations are there. In a medical association, if he gets a certificate, nobody can put a board that I am a doctor, I am a practitioner. Bona fide, that is certified. So like that, the spiritual master, person with a bona fide spiritual master, very, very important. They only help us to overcome all these things. perplexities in our life. Understood this verse? So that is why this verse is extremely important. Okay. So now, who is the man of perplexities? Every human being who cannot solve the problem. Anarya. Who does not solve the problem of a human being. Anna, they are like, we are leading a life of an animal. Eating, mating, sleeping and defending. Animals also do, we also do. So what is the difference? That is why he told Anarya. Aryan knows the purpose of the life. He knows how to overcome these perplexities by surrendering to a spiritual master. Okay, so this is very, very important. Even if he is a Brahmana or even if he is a Vipra, where is it? I think that is in the next verse. It will come. Okay, even if he is a Brahmana, higher than the Brahmana. Brahmana means by birth here it's not saying. Again, we have to go back to Krishna's Chaturvanya Maya Srishtam Guna Karma Vibhagashaka. There we have to go. If a person is born in a Brahmana family, means what? He has got a Sattva Guna. Nowadays, no Brahmana has got Sattva Guna. Okay? Even some dog eater may have the Sattva Guna. It's possible. That is why, what is that verse? Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shuni Chaiva Shwapakecha Pandita Samadarshina. A Pandita sees a Brahmana, Khastini, elephant, dog eater equally. Because for them there is no, who is Brahmana, who is Kshatriya, Shudra, no. Okay, they see everybody equally. So this material attachment is like a skin disease. Skin disease means what? It will keep on itching, isn't it? The more we scratch, it will tell you to scratch more and more and more. So the more we get attached, we all will. So Krishna is not telling everything you leave and run to Himalaya. He never said that. Do all your duty, surrender the karma pala to me. That's all he said. Perform your duties. Kripana, see, who is again Kripana, miserly person. A person who thinks only about him, about the society, everything of him. You know, so he thinks that, see, which parent can save their children from death? Can any one parent save their children from death? Not at all possible. Is it not? So that is why an intelligent person should know that we have to give them protection. That's all we can do. We cannot do anything. What is that? Janani na sasyas, guru na sasyat. Beautiful verse that is. Janani na sasyat. A mother cannot be called as a mother. A guru cannot be called as a guru. Nobody can call us what they are unless and until they teach their disciple or they teach their children about Krishna Prema. So till that time, we cannot call that we are a real parent. That's why yesterday we saw the sanskars. Before we give birth, we have to go through the what is a Garbhadana Samskaram, 50 times reciting. And we have to give birth only to the Krishna conscious children. So all other, mother cannot be called a mother unless and until she is able to give Krishna Prema to her children. Beautiful Bhagavatam is, right? Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, we will go to the slide. Okay, Prabhu, okay, leave it. Prabhu has got to another this thing now. Okay. This is the slide we were seeing, correct? 6th is over. 7th is also over. After he became a surrendered soul, then Krishna is telling him that way. Arjuna continues to give the reasons for not fighting. Why? Because he was so perplexed about that. Actually, this material world, all these perplexities are compared to a forest fire. Does anyone go and light the forest fire in the forest? Who goes and lights the forest fire? Nobody. It automatically comes, right? By two trees or two leaves rubbing with each other, the dried leaves, they catch up fire. Who has got the eligibility to go and put it off? Nobody. How can we go to the deep forest? Think of, see, when we are going once, long back we saw. We were going to Tirupati. Our bus was, going up. It was going up. We all were around 25 people went in a van. So it was going up. Far away in the valley. It's all down, 7 hills, right? We saw fire. How can we go and put it off? Unless and until there's a heavy rain comes. It cannot be put off, isn't it? Similarly, in this material world, no one has to give this attachment. Automatically it will come. That is the reason the Lord has created this material world. He thought this child was envious with me, thinking, like, why can't I independently without Krishna enjoy all these things? I'm enjoying everything, but Krishna is the center. So can I enjoy it independently without Krishna? The moment the soul thinks, like Srila Prabhupada, Krishna picks up that cockroach, soul, and puts it down from the spiritual world. So once we are fallen, what will happen? That's it. All the attachment, everything automatically will come, because 3 gunas, the moment we step, the soul comes and takes shelter in this body. It comes with the swabhava, according to the karma. So that means automatically the moment we are born, according to our swabhava, whichever conditioned soul, we have read so many times, you remember? So which body I get, accordingly the soul is conditioned. So that soul only. Dog soul will not be put into a human body. Then the human will be barking like a dog, is it not? A soul which wanted to become, at the time of Andakale Chamameva, thought of its pet dog. So the soul is thinking about the dog. So next birth will be dog's body for the soul. So the soul knows automatically how to bark. No need to teach, because it's a conditioned soul. Okay. So what is it? How we can put off this forest fire? We can put off only by Sansara Davanantila Loka Tranaya Karunya Gana Ganatvam Praptasya Kalyana Gunanavasya Vande Guru Shri Charanaravindam. Samsara Dava Nala. This Samsara, this word is Davagni, forest fire. Only one person can put off this in this material world. Only one person can put off this. Who is that? Spiritual master. So we have to surrender to him. If we surrender to him, he will put off this fire. Okay? So by nature way, material activities, because of the 3 gunas, like a pot is made, the pot will automatically have the qualities of the mud, earth. Is it not? No one has to give it, instill it, inject it. It will automatically come. So similarly, once we are born here with the soul is a conditioned soul. All the activities according to the soul, material activity. Human body, all this. A reptile, we are born as a reptile. So we will do all the activities of a reptile. Okay. But when we take this human body, just now we saw in the purport, eating, mating, sleeping, and defending is only the animal quality. Since we have got this human birth, we have got one intelligence, right? So the intelligence should have the ability to control the mind, should have the intelligence means analytical ability. Mind means thinking ability. So the intelligence should be superior to the mind. That is what it will come in the 2nd chapter. Dull matter is better than the, what is it? Senses are better than the dull matter. Here is there, can't hear. That is dull matter. Here is there, the sense means hearing, shotram. That is better than the dull matter. So like that, mind should be better than the senses. Intelligence should be better than the mind. Now the soul will be better than the intelligence. Like that we have to go, correct? So once a person who surrenders to a spiritual master, his forest fire will be put off. His perplexities will be vanquished by the spiritual master. Okay, because spiritual master is sent by Krishna. Krishna shows the spiritual master shows the path to Krishna. Okay, so that is why Kripana, Maisa, a person, one who does not get a spiritual master, even if it is a Brahmana, He will be in the material interest. He will be, what is that? He will be, yesterday we saw, no? Material enjoyment means sense gratification. Spiritual enjoyment means self-realization. Okay? Hare Krishna, we will go to the HR. This we already saw in the purport, correct? This all these my people, my possession, my work, my gadi, my house, all these things are like skin disease. The more we start scratching, the more we want to possess more and more and more and more. All those people are known as kripanas. So we have to accept a spiritual master. Hare Krishna. So the next session, we will go tomorrow. Hari Bo. Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhu. Now we come to your attendance. Okay. Those who have not, Asha Mataji, thank you so much. Hari Hari Bo. Yes. Yes, Prabhu, you come to your doubt. Hare Krishna. Anybody else has got doubt?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji. Now you ask.
No, there is no doubt. But
you got it. That is so.
I read one
Bhagavad
story.
Gita is a solution to everything, Prabhu.
Yes, Mataji. But yes, of course. But I read one story of Sudars from Vaikunta. We know Sri Narayana have many weapons, right, Mataji? So Sudarshana Chakra is, he always...
Sudarshana only Krishna has got. Narayana has got Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma.
No, Sudarshana is Vasudeva also Sudarshana Chakra.
That is, they all are expansion of Krishna.
Yes. So where a discussion going on with weapons, there are also weapons, but there are also entity of Sriman Narayana, right?
Okay.
So they are discussing each other. I am more powerful than you. I am more powerful than you. Who Shankha Chakra Gada Padma. So in Sudarshana Chakra, he always bullying, means always 1 or 2 times bullying another weapon. So that time Sri Hari he caught, and he trying to what? I am the superior weapon. I am the favorite weapon of Sri Hari, and I do anything that you are not able to reach. I am able to reach. So this type of argument is going on. So immediately Sri Hari cursed Sudarsana, I think, yeah. So go to Bhuloka and live there. And after you incarnation, Mata, some egoistic